Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classes for the academic year 2021 to 2022. So now we are going to learn about one grammar topic. The name of the topic is question tags. So what is a question tag here? So question tag is here, tag that we use with short form with the pronoun. Okay, yes, that is a tag with question we use. Since we use it with question, it is called a question tag. For example, I will give you an example. She likes fish. Doesn't she? Yes. Observe this. Doesn't she? Yes. So she likes fish. Doesn't she? So this part is called question tag part. Okay. Tag. It's a tag. Tag means Okay. Talk. Okay. So here we add this tag, question tag, to one statement. So here these question tags are added to two statements. Okay, one is positive statement and second one is negative statement. So what are the positive statements and what are the negative statements? So question tags are of two kinds. Okay, one is positive statement, second one is negative statement. Second one is negative statement. So in positive statement, here we ask a question tag. For example, if we ask here, she will come, won't you? That means she will come only. Okay, she will come, won't she? Won't she? Yes, she will come. Okay. For example, she will not come. Will she? Means there we are asking a question in negative sense. Okay. She will not come in negative sense. She will not come. Will she? No, she will not come. Okay. Yes, in negative sense. So if the question is asked in positive sense, that is a positive statement. If the question is asked in negative sense, that is a negative statement. Like that, there are two kinds of question tags here. Okay. Yes. So here, there are some important things to remember while writing this question tags. Okay. First one is here in question tag part. Always the helping verb must be used with the short form. And second point is we should use pronoun of the subject in the statement. Okay. For example, Venkat walks for 2 kilometers. Okay. So what is the question tag for this positive statement? Because it's a positive statement, there is no negativity here. Okay. Yes. So doesn't, here does we should take because it is in simple present tense. No. Yes. Does we take. So does plus not we should use. Okay. Yes. If there is a positive statement here, negative question tag we should use. If there is a negative statement here, positive question tag we should use. Since this is positive statement, negative question tag should be used. Okay. Yes. Venkat walks for 2 km. Does it he? Question mark. Okay. Yes. So this is the question tag for this positive statement. Okay. Yes. Let us see negative statement. us see negative statement. Mohan has gone to market. Has not gone to market. Has he? It is negative statement. Here Mohan has not gone to market. Okay. So has not. Here negative statement is given. Okay. Since a negative statement is here given, so we have to use positive. Okay. Yes, positive question tag. Yes. So these are the two kinds of question tags: positive question tags and negative question tags. Okay. Yes. So here the rules that we should follow in these question tags are here. So if there is any positive statement, so negative question tag should be used. If there is any negative statement, positive question tag should be used. Okay. Yes. So here pronoun he should be according to the statement given here. So Mohan, since this is Mohan, what is the pronoun for Mohan? He. So he must be used. The pronoun must be used in question tag part. Okay, understand that? So here in positive statements, I told you that we should use negative question tags. Yes. So while making negative question tags, we should remember a few things. That is, we should write the question tag, the negative question tag, okay, with the short form only. What is the reason behind it? Because why we should use short form in the question tag part? Because question tag is always used in colloquial language. Okay, so colloquial language means spoken English. Okay, so here since we use it in spoken English, we use short form. So all you know that all short forms are used in spoken English. Okay, so full forms are used in formal English. Okay, yes, formal English. In informal English, we use short forms. Yes. So now let us see here the short forms. For example, do plus not. How it becomes? Don't. Okay. So does plus not is equals to doesn't. Okay. Did plus not is equal to didn't. Yam plus not. Yam plus not, it doesn't become yamming. It becomes aren't. Okay. So if you add yam, if you add not to yam, it becomes aren't. Okay. Aren't or ain't. Okay. Yes. R plus not, aren't only. There is no change. Okay. Yes. Shall plus not, shan't. Not shall it, shan't. Okay. Will plus not, won't. Won't. Not won't, won't. Okay. So won't is nothing but will plus not. Will not. The short form of will not is won't. W-O-N-T. Won't. Okay. So these short forms we must know. Okay. If we know the, for example, other helping verbs are also there. For example, shall, should plus not, shouldn't, would plus not, wouldn't, could plus not, couldn't, may plus not, mayn't, must plus not, mustn't, can plus not, can't. Okay. Yes, all short forms you must know, because we should write the short form of helping verb in question tag part. Okay, that is very important. For example, I I am a teacher. I am a teacher. So what is the question tag part for this? Are in type? Yes. Not am in type, are in type. Okay? Yes. They are teachers. Here, aren't they? Yes. These are all positive statements. We are adding a question tag to a positive statement. Okay? Yes, they are teachers. Aren't they? Or we should take helping verb, and here negativity. Negative we should use not. So short form plus this subject we have to write here. Okay, this pronoun. So pronoun must be used in the tag part. Like this, we have to write question tag. Okay? Yes. And still there are some more examples I'll give you. Okay? I don't know. Yeah? Do I? Yeah. So do we should take negative, already negative is there. So positive we have to write. Okay, positive statement. Positive question tag we have to write. So positive we should not use not again, because not is already here. When there is not here, negative is here. We should, the tag part must be in positive. Okay. So do I question tag. That is called question tag. What question tag? It's a positive question tag. Okay. Because since the statement is negative. Okay. Yes. So like this, when the statements are in negative, we have to write the positive question tags like this. When the statements are positive, we should write the question tags in short forms of negativity, negatives. Okay. Like this. For example, in the case of imperative sentences, for example, come here. Here, will you? In the case of imperative sentences, this rule does not apply. Okay? Yes. So come here, will you? Two positives here. So it is positive statement, and this is also positive. Okay? Yes, we don't use negative here. Okay? For example, let us go there. Here, let us means it takes shall. Okay? Yes, shall we? Shall we? Yes. So let's go there. Shall we? Yes. So like that we should use in the case of imperative sentences. Okay? Yes. So both positives. Yes. In the case of imperatives. For example, if there is any subject here, something is there. Something is wrong. Is it? So what is the pronoun for something here? Isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. Yes. So in the place of something, we can write it as pronoun in the question tag part. Okay. Okay. See this. Somebody came here. So here, this is positive statement. So past tense is there. So what is the tag part? Starts with did. Okay. So I'm with negative also. Didn't somebody. What is the pronoun for somebody here? We should take it as they, not he, she, or it. Okay. We should take it as they. So like this, we have to write question tags. Okay. So thank you for listening, children. And in the next class, we will meet with some other topics. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.